For centuries, plants have been our allies in health and healing. Long before modern medicine, people relied on the natural world for remedies. This wisdom has been passed down through generations. Today, we can still benefit from these ancient traditions. Many common plants offer powerful medicinal properties. These natural remedies are often easy to grow and harvest. This video will explore the benefits of dandelions and 5 readily available herbs. We will delve into their traditional uses and how to incorporate them into our lives. Let's rediscover the power of nature's medicine chest. Often dismissed as a pesky weed, the dandelion is a nutritional powerhouse. Every part of this resilient plant is edible and offers health benefits. Dandelion leaves are rich in vitamins and minerals, acting as a diuretic to flush out toxins. The bright yellow flower heads add a burst of color and flavor to salads. They can also be used to make dandelion wine. Dandelion roots have been traditionally used to support liver and kidney function. A simple decoction can be made by boiling the roots in water. Dandelion leaves are best harvested in the spring when they are young and tender. The roots can be dug up in the fall after the plant has finished flowering. Whether enjoyed fresh or dried, dandelions offer a wealth of nutritional benefits. Beyond the dandelion, numerous herbs are easy to grow and offer remarkable health benefits. Mullein, with its velvety leaves, has a long history of use for respiratory ailments. A soothing tea made from mullein leaves can help ease coughs and congestion. Tulsi, also known as holy basil, is revered in Ayurveda for its adaptogenic properties. This fragrant herb can help the body cope with stress and promote relaxation. Lemon balm, with its refreshing citrusy scent, is a natural mood booster and digestive aid. A cup of lemon balm tea can calm the nerves and soothe an upset stomach. Passion flower, a beautiful vine with intricate flowers, is a natural sedative. It can help ease anxiety and promote restful sleep. Hibiscus, known for its vibrant flowers, is a refreshing beverage and a source of antioxidants. It has been traditionally used to lower blood pressure and support liver health. Incorporating these plants into our lives is simple. They can be grown in gardens, pots, or even foraged from the wild. From teas and tinctures to salads and stir-fries, there are countless ways to enjoy their benefits. However, it's essential to properly identify any plant before consumption. As we've explored, dandelions and these 5 easy-to-grow herbs offer a wealth of health benefits. By embracing these natural remedies, we can take an active role in our well-being. Let's reconnect with the wisdom of our ancestors and harness the power of plants for a healthier and more vibrant life.